Welcome back to Bike Studio, everyone. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda Northern Territory 1100 DCT, a motorcycle that continues to redefine what modern touring should feel like. Honda hasn't tried to make this bike flashy or aggressive. Instead, the Northern Territory 1100 focuses on comfort, intelligence, and effortless long-distance riding, and for many riders, that's exactly what matters most. From the first glance, the 2026 model keeps its clean and purposeful adventure touring design, with subtle refinements that make it feel more premium and more mature than before. At the heart of the Northern Territory 1100 is Honda's 1084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned perfectly for smooth torque delivery rather than outright speed. It produces strong mid-range power that feels relaxed on highways and confident on winding roads. The real star here is Honda's dual-clutch transmission, or DCT, which makes riding incredibly easy. Whether you're stuck in city traffic or cruising on long tours, the automatic shifting feels natural, smooth, and surprisingly engaging. Riders who prefer control can still use manual mode, but honestly, the DCT is so good that you'll trust it within minutes. Comfort is where the 2026 NT1100 truly shines. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-cushioned seat make long rides feel effortless. Honda has further refined wind protection, with an adjustable windscreen that does an excellent job at reducing fatigue during highway cruising. Suspension setup remains plush yet controlled, soaking up bumps without feeling soft or unstable, even when carrying luggage or a passenger. Technology is another strong point. The 2026 model features a crisp TFT display with full smartphone connectivity, navigation support, and multiple riding modes. Traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS work quietly in the background, giving you confidence in all weather conditions. Heated grips and cruise control come standard in many markets, reinforcing the NT1100's focus on real-world touring comfort rather than gimmicks. On the road, the Northern Territory 1100 feels calm, balanced, and predictable. It's not trying to be a hardcore adventure bike or a sport tourer, but instead finds a perfect middle ground. For riders who value smoothness, reliability, and stress-free riding, this motorcycle delivers exactly that. The 2026 Honda Northern Territory 1100 DCT isn't about chasing adrenaline, it's about enjoying the journey, mile after mile. If you're looking for a touring motorcycle that prioritizes comfort, technology, and effortless riding, the 2026 Honda Northern Territory 1100 DCT deserves serious attention. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Studio for more honest motorcycle reviews and updates.